How to clear cache on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down to the cache and cellular data section. And from there, click on free up space. As you can see, the first option, it says cache, and it tells you clear your cache to free up space, and this won't affect your TikTok experience. So click on the clear button next to it, and a confirmation box will appear that asks you, do you want to clear cache? Click on clear to confirm. And as you can see, the cache has been cleared. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and remove cache on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.